In this video, I'm going to show you how to show layers in Krita using two super simple methods. If you've ever hidden a layer by accident, or you're trying to clean up your workspace and bring a layer back on screen, this tutorial will help you do it fast. We'll go step by step using the eye icon method, and then I'll show you how to isolate one layer so everything else disappears temporarily. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Krita tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, look over to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all of your artwork layers are listed, and this is also where you control whether each layer is visible or hidden. Find the layer you want to show on your canvas. On the far left edge of that layer row, you'll see a small eye icon. That little eye controls visibility. If the layer is hidden, the eye may be turned off or crossed out depending on your settings. To show the layer again, simply click the eye icon once. As soon as you do that, the layer becomes visible again on your canvas. This is the quickest way to bring back a single layer, and it's the method you'll use most often when working in Krita. If you need to hide it again, just click the same eye icon one more time. So remember, eye on means visible, eye off means hidden. That's the basic rule, and once you know it, managing layers becomes much easier. Now let's move on to the second method, which is really useful when you want to focus on just one specific layer. In the Layers panel, right-click the layer you want to keep visible. This should open a context menu with a few different options. From that menu, select Isolate Layer. When you use this option, Krita hides all the other layers in the stack and leaves only the selected layer visible. It's a great way to concentrate on one part of your artwork without distraction. If you click Isolate Layer again, it toggles the view back and restores the other layers. So this is not just a show one layer tool, it's also a fast way to hide and reveal everything else around it. This is especially helpful if your project has a lot of layers and you need to check details, line art, shading, or edits on just one layer at a time. If you're ever confused about what's visible, just go back to the Layers panel and check the eye icons. That's the easiest place to manage visibility in Krita. And if you need to focus on one layer quickly, use the Isolate option. Both of these methods are simple, fast, and perfect for improving your workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.